So I'm starting with this green shade, which I will be applying it to my crease. This shade is very light, so I need to go back to the palette and apply it more and more just to deepen my crease. Taking that deep green shade, I will apply it to my outer V portion and just taking it a little bit further away just to create that V and a wing kind of shape, and going back to the same brush and blending both the colors together. Now taking a concealer, I am just creating my crease, the cut crease effect. Okay, to set that concealer in place, just apply any powder, whatever you have. Here I am applying the Wet n Wild Contour Duo. Okay, so taking that deep green shade again, I am applying it to the outer side and just blending both the concealer and the colors together. Also, I am defining the cut crease by using the same deep shade. Then taking a little bit deep shimmer green color and applying it in a elongated way, and then after taking a light shimmer shade, I am applying it to the rest of my eye portion just to create that ombre effect, and blending it even more. Okay, taking my Miss Claire glitter eyeliner, I am just placing the eyeliner as dots, which will create an illusion of rhinestones on my eyes. After that, I am just taking my micellar water and removing the fallouts, and using this Unlock Mixify serum just for a glow. Okay, mixing two of my favorite foundation. One is from Makeup Revolution and I am in the shade F12, and another is the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. Due to the lights, my face is looking way lighter than my body, but that was not the case in real. Okay, so moving on to concealer, I am applying it to the places where I have a little hyperpigmentation, that is around my mouth area. I'm not using a concealer, just I'm using a yellow corrector to bring that the golden glow to my face, and just blending it out. Then I'm taking the banana shade from the same Wet n Wild Duo and applying it under my eyes, also to the rest of my face. Then taking the darker shade, I am just bronzing up my skin, not contouring. Okay, then taking my PAC eyeshadow palette, I am as usual defining my eyebrows with the same mixture of black and a brown eyeshadow. Also highlighting my inner corners and under my eyebrows with Makeup Revolution Golden Kiss highlighter. You don't need to use the exact same things which I am using. You can use whatever you have to create this look. Okay, taking a nude eyeliner pencil, I am defining the waterline, and then I'm using the shade Oak Table by Lakme 9 to 5 and applying that as my lipstick. You can go way more nude than that, but since I have to balance my hair color with my lipstick, I used this brown, and that's the finished look, guys. I hope you liked my eyeshadow. This is way dramatic than I do. So yeah,